but you are a great Kaaka. Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kaaka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Yakun police bi na nipa omo gade yai anase omo hwe so ana omo boy ho ban na yekuno na wo a wo ye ordinary person say me see no na wo dey na kire say we save simahu inti aban hwe na boa police fo no ye no ma wo muhia
video bi we na nani abre no direct traffic o ono ana or direct traffic. It is if somebody is asking us to fix ourselves, he fixed himself on a bad road, an untarred road. He fixed himself because the traffic, he was directing traffic. Ejura seche udumase.
Information of their deaths yet, so we will cross-check that from the hospital to get more information on the condition of those who were shot right here. But definitely the action by the military. The action by the military on the streets has generated a lot of anger in the youth who are coming out in their numbers at this particular moment. So clearly there is so much anger on the streets. People have knives, they have cutlasses, machetes, what have you, and they are brandishing them and threatening mayhem. But indeed the anger on the streets is huge at this particular moment and fueled more by the blood they are seeing on the streets at the moment. So much blood from people who have been shot by the military who advanced on the crowd in about 30 minutes ago. Initially it started as warning shots fired directly into the air, and then we saw them take aim. Some of them knelt down on the streets and shot directly into the crowd, and that was what has resulted in the shooting of 4 people at the moment. You could see patches of youth gathering in groups and talking in anger, brandishing weapons, some of them, more of them knives and machetes, threatening to retaliate and also to return the shooting right here.
Good evening, guys. This is your guys, h0ting Ibrahim, known as Kim Blinks. As you can see, the demonstration going on, and as we are speaking, h0ting is here with us. h0ting is here with us. h0ting is here with us to plead with the youth, to exercise patience, and as they occupy the street, as you can see, no car is going and no car is coming. So they are demonstrating very, very hardly. And country is here pleading for the youth, to vacate from the main road so that a car can go and come.
for what the military people have came and do it here. Master, if we should leave this our youth to the military, what will happen in Ejura here? It will not be very peacefully. But I'm telling my people to exercise patience, to calm down, so that we put things in order. It's the military who shot those two guys after we buried our brother. And we are coming. We have that hunger, so we have to show that hunger. We were not going to anywhere to destroy anything. So you shall leave our life to us. So they shoot those two guys, and they also pass away. That provoke the youth and the old people who are here. We are not here for the party. No. We are fighting for our own right. It's very painful. Hey, yeah. And now you play game as party A and party B. It's very painful. They have to be a good word. Everything has to be.
Can you confirm to us whether two people are indeed dead?
Yeah, it is true. Two people passed, are dead. One died before arrival. The other one died shortly, that 10 minutes after arrival, during the course of resuscitation. Actually, they had a severe gunshot injury, penetrating injury to the chest directly. One was shot at the back into the chest. The other one was shot at the left hand side of the chest, right from the joint of the shoulder into the chest. So these are very severe based on the location of the gunshot. So they died instantly. The other people, yes, they had a gunshot on the right femur with the femur fracture. That's what we are seeing now. The fracture of the right thigh bone and also the lower legs. These are also serious based on the extent to which they were bleeding, a loss of blood. So we resuscitated and had to request for more blood for transfusion. But currently they are stable, responding to treatment.
How many of them are now responding to treatment?
4 of them are responding to treatment.
They all sustained gunshot too?
They all sustained gunshot injury.
In all 6 people sustained?
6 people, 2 died.
My brother is dead. The doctor, I went to him. Even right now, I entered there. I asked him, he said he's dead. He confirmed. There are 2 people, there are 4 people. 2 has dead right now.
What's the name of your brother?
Nasiru Yusuf.
How old is he?
He's about 22, 23 years.
How do you feel at the moment?
I feel very bad, very sad. I'm not in good condition as of now. What pains me a lot is that if the MCE send those military people to come and kill people here, we are ready to also die.
Well, definitely violence is not the answer, but this is anger being expressed by the people who have currently lost their people at the moment.
Let us be honest. Let's be fair and sincere that if they even send military people, if there is violence, are they quenching the violence or they are putting fire under? If Nanadu wants people of Ejura to know that what is not him Nanadu's fault, he should quickly change the MCE. He should quickly change the MCE. It was the MCE who made Nanadu to lose in Ejura. And I don't think NPP will win in Ejura before because of this MCE. His heart and the mind.
We're just massing up, calling for justice. They were calm, doing peaceful demonstration, and on their way, they were attacked by armed. On their way, they were attacked by an armed military officers, shooting direct bullets into the protesters. So in event, it caused most of our people Some are in the hospital. I don't know whether you've been to that place. Some are there. About 5 people are injured. And they are now telling us to back up the demonstration and then sit for dialogue. Meanwhile, they should have done that. They should have done that earlier on. But they sat aloof and watched us until this issue get escalated. So if that is the approach that they are adopting, we are also there.
Yes.
We are drawing several strategies to come out, and we'll show them that we will not give up.
Hospital with a stretcher. I'm referring to some number of you, and they are going to bring the body out. That's the second body, and we are just learning that one person has also been confirmed dead. We will try to confirm that from the medical superintendent, but we just got information that another person has died, bringing the death toll to 3 at the moment, with 5 in critical condition. So,
politics, NDC, MPP, CPP, we are all bogus. We are all bogus. We are polarizing the country, and it's about time that we speak and criticize ourselves and make sure we